Hey everyone, and welcome back to Taking It Offline. Today, I want to talk to you about Google Sheets. We're going to keep it super simple and super easy. We're going to go over sums, averages, and how to create a simple chart. If you have any questions or feedback, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let's jump right in. So over here, I have a list of 5 basketball players, random ones that I came up with, and I also assigned them with week 1 and 2's points, assists, and rebounds. So if we want to figure out their total points, assists, rebounds, and average points, assists, rebounds, we come down here, and for the first part, we double click into this box, and we type in equals, sum, open parentheses. We click in the first box for week 1's points for John, hit comma, and then we select week 2 points, and then close out the parentheses. Now, you can see that it did the sum, but also it gives you a suggested autofill. You go ahead and click the green check mark, and it'll copy the formula all the way down for each player and do the same thing. Now, when we want to do total assists and total rebounds, there's a very easy method to do this. We hold down this blue dot at the bottom right, and we drag across. Now you have the total assists and total rebounds for John. If we want to copy that formula all the way down for all the players, we just drag it down, and same thing for hold the click and drag it down. Now for average points, we go into the box here, double click, type in equals, average, open parentheses. We take week 1's points, comma, week 2 points, close out the parentheses. The average is 11 points for John. Go ahead and click the green check mark to copy the formula all the way. And we're going to do the same thing. Hold the click at the bottom right where the blue dot is and drag it across. And then we're going to drag average assists down for each player and then average rebounds down for each player. Now you have all of your data. How do we visualize this? In order to create a chart, what we want to do is we want to select the first box here, hold your click, and drag until you can select all the boxes you want to create a chart for. And you go up here to insert, and we click chart. And we want a column chart, and there's so much customization you can do here. You can change the title, you can change the way the legend looks. I do want to show you one quick customization. If you click on customize and go to series, and then click on data labels, as you can see, it'll pop up the numbers on top of the bars. Now you can share this image with anybody you want, you can post it online, and you can easily visualize what the average points, rebounds, and assists are for each of the players. As always, don't forget to leave me a comment with your feedback and suggestions on what else you want to learn with Google Sheets. But I hope this was helpful, and in the future videos, we are going to jump in on how AI will integrate with Google Sheets. So stay tuned for more tutorials, and let me know what you think. As always, I'm taking it offline. This is Parth. Until next time.